back to the line. Good stuff. So it comes in my push size. Push size on there. Good stuff. Show it to Raj. Beer fridge. How about Kate? Something in my glasses. Case, backside.
Where's mine go? Now like this. Good job! Yay! Take care. Hello, how are you? Good. Can I just get your ID, please? Thank you. Oh, perfect. There you go. Thank you. And $14.25. Are you just gonna put this in your bag, or do you want a bag? Okay.
I'm sure you get it in the bag.
Sure. Yep. You can do that as well. Do you want your receipt? Okay. Have a good weekend. I don't know. We haven't heard
And I'm off. Cheers, guys. Let's do chugs. Now that's fucking badass, dude. Look at them wheels. That's cool. Look at that. Now that is hard. That is hardcore. Damn. Holy fuck, man! Oh shit! Ah, fuck. And that's why I was recording that. Thought I was about to take a spill into the river. Someone's getting all hopped up on rock stars down here. But anyway. Oh, 420. Anarchy. Oh, we're here to do a chug. see what I got. Just got out the beer store. Figured I'd do a chug down here by the river. Never came under this bridge before. Alright. And yes, I am Canadian. All shook up. And I'm all shook up. Cheers guys, always wanted to make a video down here, so here we go. Ah shit. It's pretty steep, I lost my balance, dude. Bunch of rocks in there. Shout out to all you guys watching my videos. Shout out to shitty graffiti on the walls. Thumper and Bambi. Fuck. I think those guys are watching a little bit too much Bambi. Shout out to Raj, I know you like the outdoor videos. When I fell down there, I thought it was going to come straight into the fucking water. Damn, that would have been awesome. That'll probably make its way down there. I probably shouldn't. I want to cross this, but I don't want to get my feet cut up by these damn drunks that smash shit everywhere. Fucking idiots. It looks pretty deep too. Might get taken away. Fuck it. Do it anyway. Better not, because my skateboard is here. Skateboard. I don't know what's in here, boys. Crossing it. That doesn't look too promising. Oh, it's getting deep, getting deep, getting deep. That rock is slippery. Alright guys. I'll see you guys on the flip side. See you later. I'm going to be drinking a 40 later. Maybe make a video, but I'm going to upload this. It's cool. So yeah, cheers. What's up, Joe Skull? That was for you, boy. Woo! Rugby. Now I can go drink.